So we'll just continue. I'll draw in item 5, the sheave pin. If you notice, the sheave pin probably should not be spinning. The thickness between the barrel of the pin and the threaded section, the measurement's not given. If you have a look on item 6, the cheek plate, it's got 12 ms plate. That means 12mm thick mild steel plate. So I'm going to set the spigots on the sheave pin as being 12mm off the barrel of the pin itself. So let's just draw this in really quickly. I'll just start there, and that'll do me 1, 2, it's 100 by diameter 62. I thought I'd fix that. Let me fix up that line issue at the moment. So now working off this, I'm only going to do a quarter section, then I'm going to mirror it one way, mirror it the other. I'm going to offset that 15mm. I've also got the thread form there. It's an M20 thread, so let me just put in the 10. And of course we need to figure out that it's an M20 by what. There's our thread form chart, M20 by 2.5. The fine pitch gives you more strength, but it's not so common. M20 by 2.5, half of 2.5 is 1.25mm. That by 1.25mm. While we've got the offset here, set that as being out 12mm. And then it's 20mm out for the end of the thread. Let's now delete what we don't need. For the thread, it's 1.25mm in. Those two there are thin lines, they're not thick lines. And that there is done. There's our thread form. I'll just remove that and that. Let's change that to 0.5 mm. And let's get on with it, shall we? I'm going to mirror that effectively about there. I'm going to, if it wants to select, mirror all of that about there. And there is our sheave pin drawn. Okay, now just to wrap it up, I'll just do items 6 and 8. The cheek plate and the spacer. I'll do 2 views of the cheek plate because it's not that difficult. Done. So I'll just put the center line in on that pin. Of course we need to draw an M20 nut. A nut is 0.8 times 20 is 16. Okay, and I might actually move that one down to the center mark. So we come up 0.45. So we go 0.45 of a diameter is, offset please, 0.45 times 20 is 9mm. 9mm. Done. So there's our bolt. I'll just mark that in here. That is the center mark. Let's just extend that out just a smidge. So there's the nut. We'll put a spring washer inside of it. Spring washer. Washer is twice diameter. 2 times 20 is 40. Thickness of a washer is 0.15 times the thick diameter of the bolt, which is 0.15 times 20 is 3mm. Let me just do that again. I hit the wrong button there. As you could see, I gave it a 3mm angle. So it's 3mm thick, correct, by 40mm wide. And that is a standard washer. A spring washer is just a 45-degree line pitched across it. 340 plus that's 315. Yep, done. And I'll just move that down so it's centered. Done. So that is the spring washer and a nut. I will just transfer that across to the other side as well. Mirror from there to there. So that's the nut drawn.